Hey YouTube, today we're going to show you how to do the flood pants dance. But the bad thing is, we're not wearing pants. Sweatpants! Okay, the first thing you need to know about doing the flood pants dance is
roll up your pants.
Yeah, roll them up about your knees, each side. Oh crap, I just fell down. Okay. Second thing is, tuck in your shirt. Okay. Now you can only do this if you have pockets. I'm untucking my back.
Yep.
Okay.
So look at my shirt.
Do you have pockets, Dad?
What?
You have pockets?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay, yeah, you do. Okay. What you do, stick your hands into pockets like this. So, just keep them entertained. I'm going to get my iPod. Turn on flood pants dance. Where's my iPod, Tyler?
You have to make sure you're tucked in your shirt. There. Well, we'll have to wait for CJ.
I found my iPod. Now we're going to turn on flood pants dance.
Yep, from YouTube. Make sure to go to it.
Yeah, we know the person in real life who made flood pants dance. We go to his school because we're awesome like that.
My pants keep falling down.
Yeah, they do that a lot.
Yeah, he's weird.
Okay. What?
Flood pants dance.
Flood pants dance.
Roll up into the
Flood pants.
Flood pants dance.
2 minutes, 52 seconds. By Colin Sherlock. I'll get that in a minute.
C-Man on the track. Underboy. Representing Rinker. Rinker gang or die. It's about to go down. You ready? Here we go. Let's go. Flood pants dance. I'm doing the flood pants dance. Can't touch me while flood pants dance. Roll up into the flood pants dance. Flood pants dance. Get crazy. Flood pants dance. Oh baby. Flood pants dance. Do it baby. Do the flood pants dance. Raining and pouring. Being stuck inside is boring. Took a glance out the window and I saw a flood roaring. It's storming, but told me don't let it get you down. I'll roll up my pants and take a walk through the town. When everyone stares at me, I'll do my flood pants dance. But you can't dance like me, you don't even have a chance. Just put your hands in your pockets and lean from side to side. Bring your legs up, lift them really high. You better cool down, bro, you just spit some fire. Said you're the best at the dance, but I think you're a liar. I'm higher, so man, that means I'm way better. I'm a clutch on my nuts while I rock my striped sweater. Hey, see, man, that last verse was pretty weak. I could probably write a better with only my left butt cheek. Jerking is dead, the flood pants dance is here. If you still jerk, you are a flood pants dance. I'm doing the flood pants dance. Can't touch me while flood pants dance. Roll up and do the flood pants dance. Flood pants dance. Get crazy.
You just forgot to put me in face. how he rolls.